Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse audio on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and then I'm going to reverse this audio. For example, first of all, I'm going to add background up to my project, and then I'm going to add my audio. And to reverse audio, we need to create compound clip. We're going to combine the audio with the background, and you can extend the background that you have according to the duration of your audio. And wait guys, I'm going to show you the original
Hello
audio.
guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you.
And then I'm going to create compound clip. So I'm just going to select my audio and then my image as well, and we're going to right click on it and click on create compound clip. And after that, we'll be able to reverse the audio. You can just click on this icon to reverse the audio. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process completed. We have to wait until 100%, and it's almost done guys. Okay, now the audio has been reversed. I'm going to play it guys.
Yeah, so
Okay, and then we're going to extract the audio. You can right click on it and then select extract audio. Okay, now it's done. This is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!